everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Andi Muhammad Rafi Herrera. I'm from Makassar. My life Jalan Merauke number 1. My major nautical number 1. My friend.
My name is Devara Zaman Alfalai. I'm Alul Khalid. I'm from Toraja. I live in Kedopuli Raya Timur. Perumahan Imigran Resident Blok DL 15. My major is Calcutta.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up early. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you after green up?
I go to Long and I take a song.
What do you after green breeze?
I have big press and wait for press.
What time do you use life home? Morning, before morning?
I